Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be reading a book. Our book is a wintertime book because it's going to talk about snow, and it snows in the wintertime. Snowmen at Night is our book. This book, I really like it. It is a fun story to read, and it is by Carolyn Buehler, and the pictures were drawn by Mark Buehler. Okay, so if we look at our picture and our front cover, it has a picture of the snowmen during the day and then a picture of the snowmen at night. And they are different pictures. Not only because it's day and night, but the snowmen look different in the picture. Here they are standing very still in front of the houses, but here it looks like they're moving. Wow. I wonder what's going to happen in our story. Hi, my name is Gina Antrim. I'm an AAC therapist, and I have been for the past 9 years. And today I'm going to be providing aided language input using the WordPower vocabulary on a WordWall poster from Sotillo. And I'll be demonstrating some shared reading techniques, such as making comments throughout the story as well. All right, so let's open our book. There's a little boy, and it looks like he is going to make a snowman because he's rolling the snowballs, and he's got a big one and a small one. Now he's putting together his snowman. The big one goes on bottom, and then a smaller one goes on top of it. Snowmen at Night. One wintry day, I made a snowman. Very round and very tall. The next day, when I saw him, he was not the same at all. That means he looked different. I like to put carrots in my snowman too for their nose. And we also put on hats and scarves. What about you? His hat had slipped. His arms, they drooped down. He really looked a fright. That means he looked scary. It made me start to wonder, which means to think. What do snowmen do at night? Let's take a guess. What do you think a snowman does at night? If I was a snowman, I would want to have a party because parties are so much fun. All right, let's see what they do. So the little boy says, I think that snowmen start to slide when it gets really dark off the lawn and down the street right into the park. Now, they have to slide because they do not have legs, so they can't walk. So they have to slide with that bottom snowball. They gather in a circle while they wait for all the others, sipping cups of ice-cold hot cocoa, or ice-cold cocoa made by snowman mothers. So they're drinking cocoa just like we drink cocoa that our moms make. They're drinking cocoa by their mothers. But one way that it's different is that it's not hot. Because if it was hot, they would melt. And we do not want them to melt, do we? So their cocoa is cold. the Snowman Games begin, they line up in their places, each one anxious, which means they're really excited and ready for his turn in the snowman races. I wonder who's gonna win. After everyone has had a chance at racing once or twice, they go on over to the pond to do skating tricks on ice. Oh my goodness. Look how they're sliding around. We do something similar to this. We go ice skating. We have to put on special skates or a special type of shoe on our foot to be able to go ice skating. But they don't. They just slide around. That's pretty cool. Sometimes they start giggling, which is laughing, and then they act like clowns. They bump into each other until they all fall down. They're being super silly. They gather up their snowballs, and the pitcher, he takes aim. And underneath the moonlit sky, they play a baseball game. So look, he's got all of his snowballs, which acts like the baseball, and he's gonna use a broom to hit the snowballs. And then they'll slide around the bases because they can't run or walk. That looks like so much fun. No one knows just how it started, but soon it's quite a sight, with snowmen throwing snowballs in the world's best snowball fight. I want to play in the world's best snowman fight. Then it's time for sledding. It's a wild ride down the hill. I would definitely want to go sledding down that huge hill. You could go so fast. Woohoo! They yell. This is by far the snowman's biggest thrill. Look, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 snowmen on that one sled. And he's riding a different type of sled. It's called an inner tube. And he's going fast too. Finally, they're tuckered out and they are getting sleepy. So they slowly gather up their things, and one by one they go. I wonder, where are they going? So if your snowman's grin, which is their smile, is crooked, or if he has lost a little bit of height, how tall he is, so he's shorter, you'll know he's just been doing what snowmen do at night. And there it shows. They're having fun. That's what snowmen do at night. They have fun. All right, there's our story. I hope that you enjoyed reading it. I sure did enjoy reading it. If you would like to see other books where I read, or videos where I read books and provide aided language input, check out the playlist over here. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and turn on the bell so that you get notifications when I upload new videos. And if you did like this video, please let me know by either liking it down below or leaving me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Bye.